Hello again, Sue here from Sue's Dog Long Life Kitchen. Hope you're all well in the crisis that we're now living. Today I wanted to make something very simple and something that is very nutritious for you and good for your immune system also, which is some real lemonade. So with my lemonade, I'm not making fizzy lemonade, I'm just making still lemonade. But if you want to make fizzy lemonade, you could just use carbonated water. But I'm just using some distilled water that I distilled myself. If you haven't got a distiller, then just use bottled water. Try not to use tap water because unless you can filter it, you could filter it through a coffee machine. If you haven't got a filter safe, but anyway, you don't really want to use tap water for this recipe. You want to try and use bottled water or filtered water or distilled water, okay? And some nice lemons. So I have 4 lemons here and a piece of lemon, okay, which was left over from the other day when I had some fish and I cut up lemon to put on our fish, okay? So this is so simple, the simplest recipe ever, okay? This is much easier than you think. So all you need to do is cut up your lemons into quarters, okay? Do not peel them. Do not worry about the seeds. Most lemons these days don't seem to have seeds in anyway, but don't worry about them even if there are any. So just cut your lemons like this, basically, in half and then quarters. And all you're going to do now, it's so simple, is put them in this little gadget. So a blender it's called. So if you've got a blender at home, I've got a big one here, but I'm just going to use this little one for demonstration purposes. And all you need to do is just put your lemons in here, okay? Like so, okay? It's not difficult, this. And then just put a little bit of water on it, not too much, and blitz them, okay? Blitz them. Like that. Okay, so there's the lemon blitzed. So then what you need is like a basin. Oh, I also have cheesecloth here. This is cheesecloth, okay, but today I'm using this, which is slightly different, but not that much different. Muslin or cheesecloth will do either. If you haven't got muslin or cheesecloth, you could use a pair of tights, as long as they've not been worn. Cut off the foot, like the leg bit, and then put it over the bowl. And you're just really wanting to strain your lemon, okay? So you just want to put it in here like this and let it go through the muslin or cheesecloth or pair of tights. Just leave that for a second while you do the rest of your lemons. And don't waste anything. This is so simple. This is the best way to make lemonade. I haven't put the rubber bit on my fin, so it tends to move, so I have to hold it really still. And here we go. It smells amazing. Well, we all know what lemons smell like. And it's very lemony. Then put your blades back in. Last little bit more water, just helps it to blend better. And then blitz the last bit. There you have it, that's it done. There's a big lumps in there, but it doesn't matter. You can always put it through again if you want. But what I'm going to do is now, once that's strained, grab all your corners of your muslin or whatever you're using and just squeeze it out. Just squeeze every drop of the lemon. But you're not finished with these lemons yet, so don't worry about it. You're not finished with it yet. So just squeeze it out like that. As much as you can. Just squeeze them really hard. Just get as much lemon out as you possibly can. Really good for your hands, by the way, lemon juice is. And if you're worried about germs, you won't get any with lemon juice. Very good antibacterial properties in lemons. Right, so there you are. So you're going to keep this, do not throw this away. Right, and there you have pure lemon juice. Pure, okay, no bits in it whatsoever. So then just pour it into your jug, like so. And then add some water to it. So you can add about a pint of water. So what I do is I just add water up to about here. Or you can add less water. It's up to you how strong you want your lemonade. And that's it. It's really not difficult. And that's it. That's lemonade. And what you can do is you can add honey to it if you want it sweet. And this lemon on your hands, just rub it into your hands and you will not have to use any antibacterial spray if you use lemon juice, okay? So just thought I'd tell you that. It's really good for your skin. And they put it in lots of cosmetics and hair products and stuff like that. Lemon juice is really, really good for you. Not only to drink, but to put on your skin. Okay, it's really, really good for you. So with this bit, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep it. I'm going to put it in this bowl. I'm just going to tip it out. I'm going to add some more water to it. And just get all the bits off it. And then what you can do with this, I'm just telling you, if you're interested, if you want to do anything with this lemon pulp, is you can add water to it and then you could add it into a spray bottle and you can use it as a room air freshener. You can use it to clean with, you can use it to drink again. You can make another batch of lemonade with this, okay? You can make another batch of lemonade. It's so simple. So just add some filtered, bottled water, anything like that, and then just cover that up like that, right? Like that. Cover that up, put it in the fridge, and then if you want to use this for cleaning purposes, just do the same process again with this and put it in a spray bottle. Okay, remember I run a bed and breakfast and I'm all for not using chemicals because I don't like breathing them in myself, okay? So in my rooms I try and use natural sprays, natural cleaners like vinegar and lemon and salt and stuff like that and bicarbonate soda. All those sort of natural things I like to use rather than sprays that you buy in the shop that are full of chemicals that make you cough, that aren't good for you and definitely not good for your skin. Whereas this, you don't mind getting lemon on your skin. It's not going to hurt you unless you've got a little cut, but even then it will heal your cut because it's antibacterial. So you need to just think bigger with lemons and any of these sort of things. They're really, really got so many things going for them, and people just go to the shops and buy all these, like people have gone mad and bought all the cleaning products from the shelves. But you can just make this at home. And, you know, this is 4 lemons. 4 lemons, made a whole jug of lemonade. We're now going to use this to make room sprays. We're going to make cleaning products. We're going to make a antibacterial wash for our hands. We're going to make maybe another batch of lemonade with that. See, just think bigger. Go and look what you can do with lemons. Lemons are so versatile. They're so underrated that people just go out and buy all these cleaning products and think, I must have these cleaning products, otherwise things aren't cleaned. There are other ways of cleaning without hurting yourself and your lungs while you're breathing it in. And, you know, ever since I've run this business, I'm trying not to use shop-bought chemicals. I try and clean my rooms with things that don't hurt me. I don't want to breathe in fumes and stuff like that while I'm cleaning someone's room and then later on down the line get some horrible disease because I just ran a bed and breakfast. I don't want that. So for me, it's really important to use natural products. So I'm just telling you, if there is any natural products that you would like me to do a video on, then just put a comment below and ask me how to make even pesticide for your garden. I know how to make a natural product. I don't have any pesticides in my garden whatsoever. I won't allow any, not even to get weeds out of the car park. I have vinegar and white vinegar and salt, table salt, and you put it in a sprayer and you go out there and you spray it. You know, like you buy these spray guns for all those nasty chemicals that you can kill weeds with. Well, you can do the same thing but with salt and vinegar, and it will dehydrate the plant and it will go down to the root and it will kill it. You can spray it in the morning and by the afternoon the plant will be dead because it will be dehydrated. You only ever spray it where you don't want the weed, where you don't want plants, where you don't want weeds to grow. Okay, so I've got a massive car park and my plan is to go around my whole car park and spray it with my vinegar and salt spray, and I know that it won't kill the things that I want to keep, you know, because I'm just spraying the car park, okay? But there are so many things. So if there's any natural products you would like me to make for you, including face creams, things like that, I can make my own face creams also, face masks, anything like that, clay face masks. I've got so many things that I use. Also for my chickens, I don't use chemicals in my chicken house. I use natural products in my chicken house. I try not to use any nasty products whatsoever. It is hard sometimes, but like dishwasher liquid, you have to buy the, you know, the one that they pass, so you have to have that. But I try and, when I'm doing rooms and stuff, I try and keep away from nasty chemicals myself, okay? So I just thought I wanted to let you know how easy it is to make lemonade. Okay, so here's a big jug of lemonade that I literally just made with 4 lemons, some filtered water, well no, not filtered, distilled water, or use filtered water or bottled water, or if you want to make it lemonade, then use carbonated water, okay? Which has bubbles in it, which will be nice for the summer's day. You can put ice cubes in there, slices of lemon in there. You can sweeten it with honey or any natural sweetener. I don't like sweeteners at all. I don't like any artificial sweeteners whatsoever at all, and I don't need honey in my lemon. I am so used to drinking my lemon just like this. I don't need it sweet. I like the taste of it just as it comes. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a bit different to some of the cooking videos I've been doing, but I really wanted to tell you the benefits of lemons, and go and research lemons yourself, of the benefits of lemons. They are so beneficial to your health, and they taste amazing, they smell amazing, and this is just so simple to do. I mean, now I'm just putting this in the fridge, covered up, and then when I want to make a room spray, I'll just go through the same process with my muslin, squeeze it out, put it in a spray bottle and spray it around the room, and spray the bed, spray the carpet, and it gives off a nice smell of lemon without any kind of like damage to your property or anything like that. It doesn't damage anything. So there you go. So I hope you enjoyed this video. You can also use it as a rinse for your hair. Obviously not in this condition. Like when you go do this process again and then put it in a spray bottle and spray it on your hair, and it makes your hair shiny. Okay, so just thought I'd let you know. Okay, so anyway, that's enough. So if you like anything that I'm doing on my videos, please give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you don't like my videos or just don't watch them. And subscribe to my channel. Please tell your family and friends about my channel, and if there's anything that you would like me to do, just leave a comment below. I will answer all comments, and if there's anything you want me to make, I will make it. I will endeavour to make it as long as it's not too weird or too expensive, obviously. And so I hope you like this video. Look out for my next video. I'm not sure what it's going to be about yet, but go and look at my turmeric milk recipe that I just done a little while ago, and my almond milk recipe, which are both really nice recipes for alternatives to coffee and milk and stuff. Okay, so bye for now. So bye.